planet are you from? What is it?
This week's hypnosis video gives us a really powerful insight into the flexibility of our imagination. If you want to know what I mean, then keep watching and find out. Hi there, my name is Turan Mirza and welcome to the Feel Good Hypnosis YouTube channel. I'm a hypnotist and each week I show a street hypnosis clip and then break down that clip and talk about it and give some insights into hypnosis and how hypnosis is working and how powerful hypnosis is. So this week we've got two young guys and I've hypnotized one person to think that he's an alien and speaks alien, and I've hypnotized the other guy to think that he's an alien translator and will understand and translate everything his friend is saying. So how does that work? How does that pan out? Well, I'm going to break that down and discuss that after we see the clip. So let's watch the clip first. Remember, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget to click the big red subscribe button so you get notified every time a new video comes out from me. Click the bell notification button next to that subscribe button. It helps my YouTube channel grow, it helps more people find out about hypnosis and the wonders of hypnosis, so I really hope you'll subscribe and stay tuned for more videos from myself. In the meantime, let's watch this video clip and then I'll come back. Stay tuned after the street hypnosis clip is finished and I'm going to talk about it.
Drifting, sinking down. Anyway, I'm going to count from 1 to 3. On the count of 3, you'll no longer feel like howling like a wolf and you'll no longer feel like shouting every time you hear a wolf sound. But on the count of 3, the person I'm touching now, you can speak perfect alien. You are an alien from another planet and you're going to speak perfect alien. I don't know what alien sounds like, but whatever comes out of your mouth is that perfect alien language. Nod your head that you understand. The person I'm touching now, only the person I'm touching now, when you hear someone speak alien, you'll realise that you are a perfect alien speaker. And you can translate that alien into English just for me. Nod your head that you understand. So 1, 2, 3, open your eyes. So you're having a good time at QCon today?
Yeah.
And this is your first time, so you enjoy it? Yeah. And what about yourself? Are you enjoying QCon?
Yeah.
So, what did they say?
So, yeah, it was pretty good.
Good stuff. And what planet are you from? What is
Neptune.
it? Neptune, very good. And what's it like on your planet? What's the atmosphere like?
Really cold and wet.
Okay. And what about pets? Do you have any pets on your planet?
No.
No. What about transport? Do you just walk, or how do you get around on your planet?
They drive boats.
Boats? Okay. So is there a lot of water on your planet? Is that what the atmosphere's like? Yeah. No. What did he say?
He said, no, it's just it's like soil, like you can drive anything through it.
Okay. And how did you get to Earth?
I wished upon a star and it came down.
Okay, that's interesting. So you magic when you make wishes? Yeah, good stuff. Okay, look at me and sleep now. Way down, deeper, relaxed.
So welcome back. Did you enjoy that clip? They were lots of fun and really worked together well as a team, and this is the power of just tapping into that unconscious part of you. For the guy in yellow, I hypnotized him and told him he could speak alien. Now what does alien sound like?
Nano.
I told him that he would be able to know and he would be able to make it up. It's up to his imagination as to what that sounds like. Some people say, is he really speaking alien? Of course he's not. I'm not going to get into that argument. Are there people from outer space watching us from above? But if there are, we don't know what they sound like. But we've watched enough videos, watched enough movies about aliens coming and attacking us and whatever to know that it's, it's some imaginary sound. And this guy works perfectly and drops into that model. As soon as I start asking him questions, he just comes off with this strange language. Likewise, his friend seems to just instinctively know what to say. When I asked the guy in yellow, well, what planet are you from? And he makes some garbled noise, and I turn to the translator, his friend, and say, what did he say? He goes, Neptune. it's almost as if without thinking about it, that answer comes from somewhere deep inside, some imaginary place that he's thinking of what the guy might be saying and automatically translating it just from instinct. That's you know, like your gut feel or your unconscious mind is giving him the answers. Now what's beautiful, I've done this skit many times, you'll see similar videos on the YouTube channel. If you look around, I'll see if I can find some and put them up in the links above, is that they just get synchronous, they just work together. When the translator says Neptune, the guy in yellow doesn't go, that's not what I said a different planet. He just instinctively just nods and works together. And the communication's there at so many levels. When I say, what's the weather like in your planet? And the guy goes, like this here. And I say, what did he say? I had an idea that he was talking about something cold when he goes, not like today in this heat. But, you know, his friend just goes, oh, it's cool. There's that synergy, that connection between the two, that they just automatically, you know what to say next and don't argue with each other. The guy who speaks alien knows the other chap's a translator, so trusts in what the other chap is saying. There could be a point of view that, well, he doesn't know what English is and can't understand what his friend is translating, but they just seem to work together. One way or the other, it's beautiful, and it always works this way. If you're doing some street hypnosis and you're performing this clip, probably the hardest part of this clip is just keeping the conversation going, keeping the questions going, thinking of things to ask, like, where are you from? How did you get here? You know, I mean, there was a bit of a disconnect when I said, you know, how do you travel in your planet? And he says boats, and he goes, no, up there. But they worked it out. It was good fun. So it's about asking probing questions. Think a bit like being an interviewer on a TV show. You have to come up with some questions to draw out that alien language and to, you know, keep turning to the translator and saying, what did he say? So it's not just about sitting back and letting something unfold. You have to be part of that as the hypnotist. So I hope those insights into that skit enlightened you on, you know, how the unconscious mind works, and on some suggestions if you are thinking of doing this skit as to, you know, what you need to do. You need to prep beforehand so you've got some good questions to ask them to keep the flow of the conversation going. If there's anything you saw in this video that I didn't sort of cover, then please leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll answer it down there. So if you are watching this, just have a scroll through the comments, make sure there isn't more information that maybe I left out from this conversation. And if you want to see anything new, or if you want to see anything different, leave it in the comment section below. I'll do my best to deliver an answer on those questions and comments that you leave in the comment section. I really love communicating with you, interacting with you, so please leave the comment in the comment section below. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, make sure you give it a like, and don't forget to click the big red subscribe button and the bell notification button, because it helps you get notified when the new video is coming out from myself, and helps grow the channel for other people wanting to find out about hypnosis. In the meantime, thanks very much for watching, and see you next week.